Hello, guys. Good evening. Once again, I'm here with another live Instagram live series and lot many discussions, the criticism a mompreneur has to face. Well, we are waiting for a few people to join. Yes, so the discussions are always on. It is something which always follow in every business. And when we are into any business, make sure that you don't listen to everything what others are saying. Yes, that's the first tip you should follow, because only you know what you are doing right. Only you know where it has to be a stop or a full stop, for comma and everything. So याद रखिए कि किसी भी बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपके पास में जो चीज़ें ज़रूरत की हैं वो आपके पास हैं. ट्रू. So today we are having a mompreneur who is not only running a successful business but also having twins. Yes, a mother having twins and doing a fabulous online business. Since last 4 years she is doing this, and there have been some incidents happened in MW community last week. In fact, some time ago, after this pandemic hits us, uh, she got to hear lot many things about ये तो आप चाइना का सामान बेच रही हैं. Despite knowing कि वो चाइना का सामान नहीं है, she was waiting for these moms to go on and on and not react in a negative manner. This is how everyone not behave actually. So, because this is a trait which everybody has to learn. तो अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, so the first trait which you really need is to keep listening and ignoring and still doing the best thing you can do. Yes. Today we are inviting Rushi Jain, who will be sharing the tips and tricks of this business, what she is doing, because having twins at home, and like we all know the kind of work nowadays, we are having too much of work, and the criticism which was literally not good. For her it was really difficult, but she made it a point that she will not answer to anyone. Yes, we took this stand for her, and we made sure that she can sell things in a way, the way MW wants, right? So बहुत सारी चीज़ें आज हमें रुचि बताने वाली हैं. हमें ये देखना है कि रुचि हमें नहीं पता है, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारे पास हर चीज का आंसर नहीं होता है जब तक हमें सामने वाले से पता नहीं चले. हमारे साथ ऋषि आ गई है. गुड इवनिंग ऋषि, हाउ आर यू?
Shalu, good evening, mommies. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you, Shalu?
आई एम गुड एंड चल रहा है, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें हैं मैनेज करनी पड़ रही हैं.
Right.
काम भी है. आप लोग के साथ लाइव जाना भी बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आप जो एक मैसेज दे रहे हैं अपने बिजनेस के थ्रू, द वे यू आर एम्पावरिंग एवरीवन, the way you are still going and not reacting to it, it's commendable.
Thank you, Shalu. Thank you.
I really appreciate the way you handle things, Rushi, because it's not everybody's cup of tea to handle things. So first of all, I want to know, Rushi, about your background, what you have all been doing before starting this business.
Before starting Shalu, I was before my marriage, I used to work in a BPO, and I used
Okay.
in Chennai. Right now, I'm in Pune after marriage. Yeah,
Acha.
yeah. After marriage, I was with my hubby in the business, and then
Acha.
I got twins. I had twins, two girls, Anshi and Adya. So after them, I just stopped all my work because it was very difficult to handle with them. So I just stopped. And once they were 1.5 years, I again started my work, but it was only online. just online
Okay.
work. Yeah, I started dealing with vendors online, and believe me, the work was going superb. And still, now it has increased so much that even my kids, they are used to it now. They know that this particular time we should not disturb mommy, so they stay away from that.
We are
So
going to ask about these tips and tricks with you because twins at home and still doing your business, because यहाँ पर ऐसा होता है कि ऋषि बच्चे हैं तो मॉम से बोलती है हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, which is a
right.
normal phrase we always hear from moms कि जी हमें तो फुर्सत ही नहीं मिली। तो आज हम आपसे एक ये डिस्कशन तो रखेंगे ही रखेंगे, बट आप ये बताइए सबसे पहले कि आप किन चीजों में डील करती हैं, क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपके, और आपके वेंचर का नाम क्या है?
मेरे वेंचर का नाम है कडली स्टफ।
ओके।
इट्स ऑल द स्टफ्स। एक्चुअली इसका नाम इसलिए मैंने कडली स्टफ भी रखा है बिकॉज दिस स्टफ्स आर एक्चुअली कडली। यू विल नॉट गेट दिस स्टफ्स ऑलमोस्ट एनीवेयर, मतलब मिलेंगे
अच्छा।
आपको, रेयरली यू विल फाइंड फ्यू स्टफ्स।
हम्म।
सो यू विथ मी ऑल्सो टू शो यू पीपल, लाइक आप लोग देख भी सकते हो वो स्टफ। वो बहुत
अच्छा।
इनोवेटिव है, मतलब दे आर वेरी गुड एक्चुअली। We find this types of socks if you would have seen online also, and people
यस।
socks are not useful, but believe me, these are very useful. I'm using it
अच्छा।
for my mom. Yeah, she's using it, and they are really very good.
हम्म।
Same, you have this thing. Abhi with Corona, this thing is going very useful. We need to put those kapoor in this, and just
ओके।
electric chalta hai. So this is very,
कैम्फर।
yeah, camphor. So it is very useful. So this stuffs. Now I have lot of stuffs. This is for oil. If you see this, we use
ओके।
it. We have to put oil inside, and we can use it. See, and
अच्छा,
this is very useful.
ये ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं कि हमको शायद याद भी नहीं रहेंगी कि
And,
हमें लेनी है।
right.
और आप अगर आई गेस जब भी प्रमोट करती होंगी तो ये सब चीजें आप फोटोग्राफ डालते होंगे, दैट्स हाउ वी कम टू नो कि यू हैव ऑल दिस स्टफ।
Yes.
बट दिस इज वेरी नाइस, छोटे छोटे स्टफ है एंड एक्चुअली कडली है बिकॉज यूज में आ जाता है एंड वी हार्डली। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर guys, I want to share that she has gifted me a stapler which actually can pack the open pack अगर हमें इसको वापस से सील करना है। so initially I thought कि पता नहीं किस काम आएगा, but then when I saw the pictures and you have shared it, so these are handy stuff actually you are giving to people at their doorstep. They need not
Yeah.
to go out,
Yeah.
and they you provide all this stuff which is very nice because अगर हम अमेजोन में भी जाएंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें दिखेगी, छोटी छोटी चीजें भी नहीं दिखेंगी, and
दिखेगी।
that is why I believe in promoting mompreneurs.
या शालू, थैंक यू सो मच। और एक्चुअली ये छोटी चीजें जो रहती है ना शालू, ये अपने को मिलेगी। यू विल गेट वन स्टफ इन वन प्लेस, बट फॉर सेकंड स्टफ अगेन
हाँ,
यू हैव टू, and
right.
yeah, this stuff you get everything together at a place. So that is the
So
profit with
how do you manage it? मतलब ये सब आप घर पे स्टॉक रखते हो कि कैसे?
I don't keep stock shallow actually.
हम्म।
Everything is on WhatsApp and FB. Like whatever
अच्छा।
I have, yeah, stuff I get, I just promote. I just put on FB and WhatsApp, and I
हम्म।
get orders. So very few things I keep at home. But one thing
हम्म।
is that I use each and everything mostly everything I use it, and then I post it, so that nobody
अच्छा।
has. Yeah. So everything is used by
तो
me, then by my customers. Yeah.
which is again a different thing that you are using it first and then you're recommending. This is actually how I do things when we have any brand promotion or something. So I prefer using it, and if at all we have this kind of things at home, usage of such things at home. So that's nice actually. So अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि आप अभी जो नवरात्रि और दिवाली का स्टफ डाल रहे हो तो शायद अपने घर के लिए आपने ऑलरेडी अपने लिए लेके रखे हुए हैं।
Yes, I have already ordered it, and actually it's on my way. Otherwise, I would have showed here also. I have ordered a lot of stuff for me. So hopefully it comes, and then I can again put it on live. कि मतलब on the Mom Prince Wednesday, Thursday कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि this I'm using it.
राइट।
Yeah.
एक बात बताइए, इसी से जुड़ा हुआ ऋषि आपके लिए क्वेरी आया था। आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जब आप ये सेल करती है, तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर हमारा लास्ट वीक इंसिडेंट हुआ है एमडब्ल्यू कम्युनिटी में, जहां पर कुछ 3-4 मदर्स आपके पीछे ही पड़ गई थी, स्टेटिंग कि ये तो चाइना का माल है, चाइना से बेच रहे हैं एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ। आई एम सॉरी टू यूजिंग दिस स्टफ बट दैट इज व्हाट दे रोट। तो
एक्चुअली
बट ये कैसे आप मैनेज करते हो? बिकॉज इज इट ट्रू कि आपके पास जो सामान है वो चाइना से है, या कैसे आप इसको डिफेंड करोगे?
Actually, what happened, Shalu, ki already Narendra Modi, Mr. Narendra Modi have stopped import and export of China items in India. So
Okay.
usually no items coming in India right now, or neither going nothing. But जो पहले
Yeah.
का stock पड़ा है vendors के पास, so they are trying to sell that because they cannot throw those stuff right now.
Right.
उनको
True. True.
because उनका already they have invested in that. The same thing is
Yeah.
if I have already invested in those products, I'm not
Yeah.
going to don't send it to me or they will not send it to me. It's not like that. But yeah, वो
Yeah.
कि जब तक हो सकता है, I'm trying all my products to make it like India के products ही मैं sell कर रही हूँ. And again, the thing is when you're going for India products, people are like, na, even for 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, they think कि it's an Indian product, it's very
Yeah.
costly, and they
Hmm.
don't buy. And with China, na, it's like it's not China. You never know whether it's China item or it's something else. Like it can be Taiwan, it can be Japan. You never know. We don't know the
Right.
language.
That is, yes, that is one point I would highlight here. You are right. We do not know that the products are from China or Japan or Taiwan, Thailand, from wherever, because ultimately the product has come to India. It is with the vendor, and also the vendor is not sure from where the product has come. But now, since the products are not coming in, the vendor has to sell those items.
Right.
So one thing also I would want to add in this video, that whosoever is selling the product and the people claim that you please do not buy, this is all Chinese stuff. Before claiming, before criticizing someone, please make sure that whatever you are using is not Chinese. People
Right.
should know कि जब आप एक फिंगर अपनी तरफ पॉइंट करते हैं, दूसरों की तरफ पॉइंट करते हैं, तो बाकी की तीन आपकी तरफ ही आ रही हैं. तो वो जब आप दूसरे के लिए बोल रहे हैं, आपको नहीं पता है, लेकिन इतनी बड़ी कम्युनिटी में जब वो लैक ऑफ कम्युनिटी वॉचिंग द स्पेस, जहां पर आप सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट लिख देते हैं और वहां पर कुछ एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो
Right.
साथ में लिखते जाएंगे कि हाँ हाँ ये चाइना से है, चाइना से, दिस मेक्स अ वेरी बैड इंप्रेशन. So I request each of the member here in the community, when this video will go there, that please do not point any finger to mompreneur, because whatever they are doing, it's not just for money. It is to help their family. It is to stand on their toes, because really they want to do something in life. And by doing such things, आप उनका मोरल बूस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप उनके लिए एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. एंड ऑफ द डे they are helping their families and they're trying to stand on their toes.
Right.
तो
Sure.
ऋषि, कमेंडेबल कि आपके पास जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आप बात कर रहे हो कि जरूरी नहीं है कि वो चाइना के ही हो. This is a very sensitive issue after this all COVID thing happened.
Everything.
And I really want to understand that, you know, the products, when you are selling it, you please mention that, stop, you start writing it, I guess, Rushi, because we should not wait for people to put such kind of remarks in the post, because even you cannot be 24/7 on your post. By the time you reach there, there are already list of comments going negative, a debate is already on, even I cannot follow that.
Right.
So I would suggest you to अपनी post में लिख दीजिए ये.
Actually, Chalu, last जो post हुआ जिसमें चाइना का issue हुआ है, in that somebody asked whether these are China products. Instead me writing the answer for that post, somebody has already returned कि yeah, it's actually Chinese stuff. So I actually react for that post only, and I just left because these people are already thinking that this is China stuff. Then I cannot clarify कि नहीं, this is not China, this is Indian, please buy. It's not like that. Even if Chinese or Indian, if you want to buy, you will buy. If you don't want to buy, na, Indian items you will not buy. That is the
See
fact.
what happens, I guess, रुषि, हमारा ये डिस्कशन आज इसलिए भी हमने रखा है कि बहुत सारे मॉम्स ना ये जानते हैं कि उन्हें एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला हुआ है बात करने के लिए.
Right.
So instead of having a healthy discussion or asking something, they start blaming people. अब अगर वो किसी भी बड़े पोर्टल पर जाते हैं जहां पर सब चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट बिक रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी बिक रहे हैं, अब तक बिक रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन बड़े पोर्टल्स को किसी वेंडर का वेट नहीं करना पड़ता है. दे हैव दिस थिंग दैट दे शुड सेल और नॉट. तो वहां पर उनका कोई सुनेगा नहीं. यहाँ पर हर बार क्या होता है, देखिए बहुत सिंपल सी चीज होती है, आई गेस हमने लाइफ में ये चीज सीखी है कि सामने वाला दबाने की कोशिश करता है आपको, और ये दिखाने की कोशिश करता है कि मैं ही सही हूँ।
सही हूँ, राइट।
तो
बट
जब कोई एक कमेंट आता है, हाँ, तो
समटाइम्स
उसके बाद जो लिस्ट ऑफ कमेंट्स चलती है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन ऋषि, जब आपने उन मॉम को छोड़ देना बेहतर समझा और हम लोग ने स्टैंड लिया, आई मेड श्योर कि वो मॉम किसी और की पोस्ट को खराब नहीं करे, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली एट MW वी डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी बुलिंग।
राइट, राइट शालू, ट्रू। एक्चुअली वही हो गया था, वो उनकी एक पोस्ट की वजह से ऑल द मॉम्स गॉट इरिटेटेड, एंड इट वाज
या
एक्चुअली बहुत खराब था उनकी। इवन हर लैंग्वेज वाज सो बैड, शी वाज लाइक
या
टू तड़, एंड दैट वाज रियली वेरी बैड, वेरी बैड।
So I also want to add into this that if you want to buy, buy. If you don't want to buy, please spoil the post moms, because आप किसी को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। जिस तरीके का पीरियड चल रहा है, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोगों के जॉब्स जा रहे हैं, उनकी सैलरीज कट हो रही हैं। अगर मॉम्स ये अपना बिजनेस कर रही हैं, हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं, हर किसी के घर में स्मॉल स्मॉल इश्यूज होते हैं, तो पब्लिक को ये समझना चाहिए कि यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फिल देयर रेशन फॉर अ मंथ। प्रोबेबली जिस मॉम्स की पोस्ट पर आप कमेंट कर रहे हो उन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता हो, लेकिन उससे जुड़ी हुई कोई भी ऐसी मॉम जिनके पास सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे, वो बहुत ही सोचेंगे कि मैं ये पोस्ट करूं कि नहीं करूं सेलिंग के लिए।
राइट,
क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली आप उनको डरा रहे हो कि भाई पोस्ट आया ना तो देखो हम यहाँ पर तलवार लेके बैठे हुए हैं, विच इज नॉट राइट। दिस इज एक्चुअली इनटू अ ट्रेंड ऋषि। आई टेल यू, हम लोग MW पर ये चीजें नहीं लेते हैं, एंड थैंकफुली एक बहुत अच्छी सी एक हमारे पास एक्टिव टीम है मॉम्स की ये ध्यान रखने के लिए, एंड यू नो दीज गाइस डू एवरीथिंग इन फेवर ऑफ यू नो ऑल यू गाइस, MW कम्युनिटी के फेवर में। ये लोग बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं कि कहीं पे बुलिंग नहीं हो, बिकॉज दे नो द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, द मोटिव व्हाई MW इज फॉर्म। दिस इज
राइट,
व्हाई, या दिस इज व्हाई यू नो एवरीबडी नीड्स टू नो कि आप अगर MW में है तो वहां कोई बुलिंग नहीं ली जाएगी। दैट्स वन। इसके साथ हमारा ये टॉपिक को हम यहीं पे ब्रेक लगाते हैं, थोड़ा सा टेंस वाला हो गया। मुझे ये बताओ ऋषि, आप कैसे टाइम मैनेज करते हो? दो दो आपके ट्विंस हैं, उनका स्कूल, ऑनलाइन क्लास, अभी सब कुछ होगा,
सब कुछ चालू है, यस शालू।
तो हाउ डू
एक्चुअली
यू मैनेज ऑल दिस?
क्या होता है ना शालू, दे आर ट्विंस, तो सबसे बड़ा मुझे है पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स बहुत सारे हैं मेरे पास, बट स्टिल आई हैव अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट। In the school they don't take twins in the same sections, they don't allow, so they have two
Yes.
different sections. Yeah, so
Oh.
have two different timings for online classes, but yeah, I do that manage in the morning with them till 1 o'clock. They are quite busy with their studies, and yeah, after once they are on their nap, they take a nap of 1 hour, make it 1.5 hours. In that particular time I use all my things, whichever I have to finish it off, whether it is order or it is tracking the orders, or talking to manufacturer, payment, whatever it is, I just finish it off in that particular time. And then again in the night I start with my work when they are totally in the sleep. So usually this happens ki twins hai na, to make sure, make them sleep at the same time, make them eat at the same time.
I know, Bapre. I mean, I can't imagine having one child and still a fear in my mind that sometimes, you know, if I'm working and if I'm talking to the client, he might speak something, you know, a voice from background can anytime pop up. So hats off to you that you are handling your business also and handling your twins also.
Yeah,
You start from feeding to them, making them sleep,
yeah,
and this balance is amazing. This
yeah. And
is
I
amazing.
everything together, all the things, feeding, sleeping, eating, everything. I used to do everything together, so I feel ki now they are also used to it. They don't get distracted by my work or anything. Even with their studies, they are like, cool, no problem, mom, you carry on, we'll finish it off. It's like that. They are just
Right.
4 point.
How old are they now?
Yeah, Shalu,
How old are they now?
they are 4.8 years. They'll be completing 5 now.
Oh, 5 years में मतलब
Yeah,
5 साल से, और आपका बिजनेस ऑलरेडी 4 साल से आप कर रही हो।
yes,
अब आप
from
एक बात बताओ ऋषि, सब लोग ये जानना चाह रही हैं कि जिस जिसको अगर ये काम करना हो तो उनको क्या क्या चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है, ये बताओ आप
see
कैसे स्टार्ट कर। करते हैं वो लोग?
Yeah, only today, actually, you will not believe, Shalu. I have a call from my client, and she's a MW mom. I don't want to tell her name, but yeah, she's a MW mom, and she wanted to start work because it's already a very tough time going on. So she
Yes.
just asked me to start with my work. I was like, you just have to follow my things. Like whatever I post, just start
Hmm.
posting that in your group, and you just have to send me the order. You don't have to dispatch anything, or you don't have to take any tension. That is my part. This is how I
Hmm.
work. I just collect all the orders which the resellers which are under me. They send me all the orders. I
Hmm.
dispatch it from Pune to any
Okay.
part of, yes, to any
अच्छा.
part of, with
Hmm.
very less shipping. The shipping is very less. It's only 50 rupees kg.
अच्छा,
So
that's nice.
yeah, only 50 in anywhere in India. And the
Hmm.
second, yeah, in the last 3 months, it was little high because of this Corona thing. There were no shipping guys and all. So that was going little tough. But yeah, the resellers have to just contact me and they'll be very, they don't have any problem doing work with me. They just have to take orders. That's it. Rest part, they don't worry at all. With the kids, they'll be spending their whole time with their kids also because
अच्छा.
they hardly have to spend 1 hour with their work.
Hmm. So, do you suggest, Rushi, that any mom who starts to join this online business can start it anytime at any age? Because what happens, जिनको इन्फेंट्स हैं उन लोग की अलग प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, और जिनके बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, अभी स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो लोग भी घर पर हैं, अगर किसी के टाइम मैनेजमेंट, स्पेशली जो लोग जॉइंट फैमिली में है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ये टाइम कितना देना पड़ता है इस बिजनेस को?
Shalu, it's like that ना कि कोई भी एज रहने दो, even if they are old, like they are 50 plus, it doesn't
हम्म.
matter. I have resellers who are 50 plus. They have,
अच्छा.
yeah, I have resellers, they are 50 plus, and even the resellers who have infants. So no problem at all. You have to give the same time. You have to
हाँ.
have an hour. I feel because as I'm working with my tricks and tips, I can manage both the things. So if
हम्म.
like आप लोग join करते हो ना, तो आपको मेरे से भी कम काम है because I'm taking all your work. If
हाँ, right.
that's it, you don't have to do
Right.
anything. तो बाकी सारा काम मेरा है. I take it on my
Hmm.
part. So
Right.
just every day 1 hour.
Okay. So they become resellers under you.
Yeah.
Okay, and they have to work under the brand of Cuddly Stuff.
Yeah, cuddly stuff. They have to work under the brand Cuddly. Yes.
And where all you send your couriers, Rushi, in all these 4 years, where आपके wings कहाँ spread हो गए हैं?
See, Shalu, actually almost everywhere in India. I'll tell the few names which are there in MW. I have sent it
हाँ.
to Mumbai is very common.
Hmm.
Noida,
Hmm.
Chennai, Kerala, Orissa,
Hmm.
Goa, and Calcutta. Almost every part. Even in
I
Assam,
guess
I have.
हर जगह, all 4 directions you have covered. You're sending it out of India also, Rushi?
Yeah, I've started recently with the decoration stuff, not with the other stuff. Only the decoration stuff I've started even the outside India.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So one mom is asking here, Sweta is asking, अगर आपके products देखने हो, apart from the products what you post in the community, आपके products वो कहाँ देख सकते हैं?
Shweta, hi. You can WhatsApp me anytime. My number is there on the post every time. So you can just message me on that number. I'll send you all the products. Else, you can also join my WhatsApp group. And
हाँ, that's the easy way. Why? Because कई बार क्या होता है, हमें पता नहीं है कि हमें क्या लेना है, जस्ट टू सी कि अभी रिसेंटली क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में, और हमें वो स्टॉक करना है. तो हाँ, अभी यहाँ पर श्वेता कामत कह रही है, आई रिसेंटली सॉ योर डेकोरेशन स्टफ. वो तो मैं भी बोलूंगी, इट वाज रियली लवली. आई
thank,
रियली लव द स्टफ, बिकॉज
thank you.
अभी फेस्टिवल आ रहा है एंड दिस इज समथिंग एवरीबडी वुड वांट टू बाय. तो
Right. I've got lot of orders for. I'm going
हाँ,
totally back with that. With MW Moms, I've got many orders.
that's nice to hear. Rushi, how your journey started of being a mompreneur? When it's just one random day you decided to become कि मुझे काम करना है, या कैसा था?
No, actually, Shalu, what happened? From starting, I used to, after my college, I was working regularly. And but जब बच्चे हो गए ना, it was very difficult to handle them. But at the same time, वो था कि काम तो करना है, cannot sit
कुछ
like
तो
that,
करना है.
कुछ तो करना है. And then
Hmm.
I don't remember who has like किसने मुझे MW के लिए suggest किया. Actually I don't
Okay.
remember. But जिसने भी किया ना, I'm really really very thankful to that lady. I'm very happy to join MW because once I join MW na, now I'm at this point. Because I never thought कि I will sell all these items and I'll come to this point. But all because you, Shalu. This is actually you because of
This is
whom I
nice to hear.
actually, and
This
I
is
all
nice to hear, Rushi. So, sorry. Please go on.
yeah.
You're
So
saying
I
something.
जो भी मॉम चाहते हैं अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाना या जो भी आगे आने के लिए, प्लीज यूज दिस प्लेटफॉर्म एंड शालू इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू पीपल. प्लीज आपकी
That's
मदद, शालू इज ऑलवेज देयर. शी हैज हेल्प मेनी मॉम्स इन विच आई एम द वन. तो मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ कि प्लीज you can start your life from here, the working life.
That's sweet of you. Yes, I am there for everyone. Preeti says that she has purchased last Diwali curtains from you and they are very awesome. She's still using it. Preeti
Yeah,
Agarwal.
thank you so much, Preeti. Thank you.
Yes, guys, I'm always there. It's just one thing that you have to do. Keep doing your work and do not stop.
Right,
You know, the barriers are always here in the mind.
right.
And if you think you have no barriers, so please keep dreaming and keep doing your work. The
True.
way you are handling it, Rushi, I really feel that every woman who wants to work, जिनको सच में willingness है काम करने की, उन्हें अपना काम जरूर स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. Because there are times when they are depressed, कुछ करने को नहीं है, चाहे उनकी एजुकेशन है या नहीं है. लेकिन अगर ऑनलाइन से उन्हें लगता है कि वो ग्रो कर सकते हैं, तो दैट्स वन थिंग एवरीबडी शुड डू, आई थिंक.
Should do. Yes, Shalu. Actually, in this business now, Shalu, I'll tell you, you don't have to need any education in this business.
हाँ
Because
वही.
this is in this field now, even if you are second standard, third standard pass now, you can do this business and it's very, very good. With your family, you can manage very easily. And आगे तो
राइट.
है ही, you have MW mommies, you can always, second step is always there with you. तो आपको
यस.
या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो ही नहीं सकती. यू कैन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट. द थिंग इज आपके मन में होना चाहिए कि मुझे करना है. दैट्स इट.
दैट्स वंडरफुल. बिकॉज ऋषि, आज जो आप ये सब बता रहे हो मॉम्स को, और बाद में जितने भी मॉम्स ये वीडियो देखेंगे, एटलीस्ट दे नो दैट दे हैव दिस लिटिल पुश बिहाइंड देम. अगर वो आपसे कांटेक्ट करते हैं. हाँ, हम बात कर रहे थे एक्चुअली, श्वेता ने पूछा था आपका कांटेक्ट करने की जगह अपार्ट फ्रॉम द व्हाट्सएप. तो आई गेस अभी यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर वेबसाइट एंड फेसबुक पेज.
Yes, Shalu. I'm working on it. Recently, I've started because I didn't find time with the kids. I've started
Yeah.
6 months back, but I didn't finish it off. But yeah, it's in process right now. So I'll be finishing it very soon.
So it's a festival time, and Rushi, we want to see a lot of stuff from you. You have always been there in all the campaigns when FW is running anything during festival. You have always registered and you have always given the best product, I know. I
Yes.
also have few moms mentioning कि मैम Rushi जैन का stuff बहुत अच्छा होता. They were discussing in another WhatsApp group of ours.
Okay.
एक फॉर्म है वो ऋषि जैन, उनके पास स्टफ अच्छे. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट टू बोस्ट यू, बट yes, your products are appreciated. Yes, Rupa is asking, do you have page? Rupa, she has a page with the name of Cuddly Stuff on Facebook. She has recently started because with the twins, वो चल रहा था, रास्ते में था, and it just started.
Yeah.
But then how do you source the products, Rushi? आपको कैसे पता चलता है मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट्स जो नए आ गए हैं? आपकी टीम है, आप कैसे करते हो ये सब?
या आई हैव अ टीम, शालू, जो मुझे रेगुलर अपडेट्स देते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट की जो मार्केट में नया आता है. आई हैव
अच्छा.
I have a daily update on those posts with new prices and with new stuff. होता क्या है ना कि जो चीज पहले आई हुई होती है कम रेट में, तो people think it's same rate होता है. It's not like that. It always change upon like stock.
Keeps on changing, right?
Yeah. Few moms का आता है कि like we used to मतलब वो लोग क्रॉस चेक करते हैं कि यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे रेट सेम है. This happens with me and I have only one answer for those moms कि अगर मेरी प्राइस ज्यादा है, that is only because of less stock. If the stock is less, the price will be more. So
Yes.
yeah, and that too also very few items the it comes कि rate ज्यादा होती है कई बार मेरी. I too agree because stock नहीं होता तो not help it out with the vendors. They are like कि
Right.
ये है, so you have to buy it, no other go.
So एक चीज और रुचि मेरे दिमाग में भी ये आ रही है कि जब आप कोई भी रीसेलर अपने अंडर में ऐड करते हो तो वो काम करेंगे फॉर कटली स्टफ. What
Right.
if you come to know with this cuddly stuff being a reseller, they are running some other business also? Do you have problem? Do you have any conditions for them that they should not be starting any another venture for the same products? But they can do, I guess, only if they have direct market.
Yeah,
You are.
I don't have any such problem, Shalu, because I feel, see, if they are a reseller under me, I'm happy. Actually, I'm happy. But if they go a separate way and they make their own venture, I'm very happy. I'll never be sad. I feel कि उनका आगे प्रोग्रेस होता है तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. I am the
Right.
start. मतलब मैंने मेरे से शुरू हुआ है and they are going more आगे तो very good. I'm not at
Right,
all
right.
sad. Yeah.
Okay, so you will definitely empower them and push them to go ahead.
Yes, yes, I will. I will. Surely I will.
थैंकफुली हमारे पास यू आर दी फोर्थ वन मॉमप्रेन्योर हमारे पास सीरीज में, इंस्टाग्राम लाइव सीरीज में, रुचि जिन्होंने ये कहा कि उन्होंने एमडब्ल्यू से ही अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था. दैट
Yes.
इज वेरी कमेंडेबल टू हियर. एंड ऑल्सो दे सेड कि दे आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प अदर, which
Yes.
actually makes sense because nowadays people are just fighting it over कि उसका बिजनेस अच्छा मेरे से ज्यादा कैसे चल सकता है.
This
आपने
usually
ये फेस किया है? आपकी रीसेलर्स में ये फेस किया है?
किया है Shalu. I don't want to pinpoint a name, but yeah, I have faced this thing and
Without telling the name, how did you handle it?
the thing was, it was like Shalu, what happened na ki she started pinpointing each and every post. Like she started contacting the person who come to me, and she give
Okay.
them. Yeah, this had happened, but I just left it. It was like it's okay if she gets the client. I don't have any problem with that because people knows from where to buy, when to buy, with whom to buy,
Right.
and
Yeah.
it depends even on your nature. Each of my clients are like that now. From even from MW moms, they know my nature. I'm never
Right.
very harsh to anybody. Even if there is a product which got damage in between the shipping, I'm always there with them. Whatever I can do, I'm doing it. Whether it is the amount or
Ruchi,
it's the material.
I guess जितने भी मॉम्स ये आगे देखेंगी वीडियो आपका, उन्हें ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा कि फर्स्ट the one thing that they do not have to have any education importantly, अगर उनको कुछ ऑनलाइन काम स्टार्ट करना है. टू, उनको कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए तो पीपल लाइक यू आर ऑलवेज देयर, विच इज अ मोटिव फॉर मोटिव ऑफ एमडब्ल्यू एज वेल. हम यही चाह रहे हैं कि हम लोग जितने भी लोगों से कनेक्ट में आ रहे हैं उनको हेल्प करते रहे इन चीजों के लिए, लाइक यू हैव बीन हेल्पिंग. एंड
This thing I have learned from you. This particular thing I have learned from you.
I'm actually glad that I could convey my message in a beautiful way because बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे आपको लेग पुल करने के लिए,
Right.
बट बहुत कम लोग मिलेंगे जो आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे. एंड इफ दीज पीपल आर सपोर्टिंग, we get a circle of supporting people, we get positive vibes, and we get this encouragement that we can do it.
Right. True, Shalu.
So once again, I want to ask you, for the people who are joining now, your Facebook page is Cuddly Stuff, right?
Yes, Shalu. Cuddly stuff.
And you gave all the necessary stuff related to festivals or the get-togethers, the birthday parties, and everything through your online business, and
Yes.
you make it sure that it reaches their doorstep, right?
Yes, Shalu. I always
Okay.
track, like tracking is always done by me. I never tell my clients to keep a track by themselves. It's always
Oh,
done by.
yes. Now that is a fabulous thing you are doing it, Ruchi. Thanks for joining today and sharing all the things.
Thank you
This
so much.
video, I guess, will give a confidence in moms to start something and just do it. Possibly ये जो लास्ट हमारे 2020 के मंथ्स रह गए हैं, ये अच्छे निकल जाए और कुछ नए मॉमप्रेन्योर्स भी बन जाए, कुछ मॉम स्टार्ट कर दे, so you and me will be very happy to, you know,
Very, very
or
happy.
yeah, ultimately we are there to support.
Right.
Thanks for joining in. Lots of love to your twins, Rushi.
Thank you.
And once video is up, I'll make sure that I'll add your contact details in the description section in the community so that people can directly contact you.
Yeah, Shalu. Thank you so much, Shalu. Thank you so much.
Take care. I
Yeah,
shall take leave now, and we'll meet once again in some other session through some other campaign in MW, and we'll be connected.
sure, Shalu. Yeah. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. So, guys, it feels really good to have someone around who is supporting you in everything. I'm really happy to see this, that MW has actually made these mompreneurs so powerful in itself. Within them, they are so happy that they are doing their best for their family. और अगर ये जो सपोर्ट मिलता है ना एक वर्चुअल कम्युनिटी से, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू सपोर्ट यू, बट मेक श्योर जो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है ना, आप उनके साथ थिक एंड थिन में ऑलवेज रहिए. आप 5 के साथ जोड़ते हैं, वो 5 आपको उन 10 लोग के साथ जोड़ेंगे जो लोग आपके लिए अच्छा चाहते हैं. एंड दैट इज हाउ द सर्कल ऑफ द पॉजिटिविटी इज keep increasing. That is how the way MW has increased, have made it from 50 to 1,95,000 and making it possible on all the platforms. I'm really happy to share this, that the mompreneurs coming to me and telling me this thing, that they have started their business because of MW. Mommy's World for you and me feel super blessed. My motive for these Instagram live series is successful if you are happy and going more powerful in your business. On this note, I would like to take a leave, ending this session with a promise to bring one another mompreneur on next Friday, and you will definitely learn one more another thing like you have been learning in last few sessions. Just a little push, and if you're confident, our life is good. Stay blessed, take care, happy parenting. Don't forget, one, there is a contest ending tomorrow. You have to participate in it and you can win a tripod. Yes, make sure that you participate in the contest. This session is ending it here, and I love you all. Please stay safe, stay take care, stay connected. Bye-bye.